You are welcome in the class of physical education for class 11th, unit 8, fundamentals of anatomy, physiology and kinesiology in sports. In this chapter we will carry on the topic circulatory system, and in the circulatory system we will carry on the discussion about the heart, and today we will focus on the various valves which are found in our heart. So number one is right atrioventricular valve, second one left atrioventricular valve, third one is pulmonary valve, and fourth one is aortic valve. These four valves are found in our heart, and through this picture we will try to understand that where is the situation or where is found these four valves in our heart. So number one is we will take right atrioventricular valve. It is the tricuspid valve. This is the tricuspid valve, this one, and it is situated between the right aorticum. This is the right aorticum, this one, and the right ventricle. This is the right ventricle. These are found. This right atrioventricular valve is found in between. It is allow the blood from right auricle to right ventricle only. So it is the right atrioventricular valve. Second one is the left atrioventricular valve. This valve is bicuspid and is also known as the mitral valve. This is the mitral valve, this one. So it is allow blood from left auricle to left ventricle only. This is the second valve of the heart. Next, third one is pulmonary valve. Pulmonary valve, it is situated between the right ventricle. This is the right ventricle and the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery. This is the pulmonary arteries. Between these the pulmonary valve. This is the pulmonary valve is situated. This is the third valve of the heart. It allow blood from right ventricle to the lungs only. Next one is the or fourth one valve is aortic valve. Aortic valve. This is the aortic valve. This one, it is situated between the left ventricle. This is the left ventricle, this one, and the aorta. This is the aorta. Between this valve is situated. It allows blood to flow from left ventricle to the different part of the body. So through that four valves we have to know about the blood flows and about the situation where these valves are found in our heart. Thank you.